And folks, keep an eye out because there's a lot more work to be done on the farm. And in this episode, we're going to install the cobblestones in front of the new gate, and we're going to install the new ceiling in the gatehouse. So keep watching. And those are the last planks, so the lumber is ready to be installed on the attic. And as you can see, we started to dig up the cobblestones because I need to make sure that the cobblestones are going to start from here and will finish just underneath the door. So I have to remove, well, a couple square meters, and then we can replace them, but a little bit higher. Now these cobblestones are different sizes, they are not all the same. You can see that we got big ones, but then I got real small ones, so all different sizes. So we'll have to sort them out a bit, trying to mix and match it together once we go into place the back. So once the cobblestones will be removed, we're going to put these bags of river sand out, and this is pretty rough river sand. We'll mix it with 1 part of cement and 5 to 6 parts of river sand. I have enough river sand, but we'll see. I got about 300, 400 kilograms here.